Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture we will cover the pattern problem 5 and this is the required output which we will try to obtain. So this is the output or you can say this is the code of the previous lecture which is pattern problem 4. So if we run it we will get the pattern 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 and so on up till 4. So as you guys can see, so if you guys have watched carefully, you might observe that for this pattern we might need to you can say keep on incrementing some value, you can say variable, and so that we can get up until 10 over here. So in a way what I can do is I can initialize another variable. Let's just name that variable k, and I have since I have declared this variable I can also initialize it. Let me just initialize it with 1. Okay, now instead of, you guys can see that I can, instead of printing, since we are printing j over here, instead of printing j I can print k. So after printing k, you may have noticed one more thing, that it will print k 111 all together the time. So we need to increment k also. So we'll write k plus plus. And since after this, what can we do? Just add a little space over here so you can get the clear idea. So now let's just compile and run it and see the output. So yes, you guys can see this is the required pattern which we wanted to obtain and we have got it. So thank you everyone for watching my video.